So earlier I mentioned that I was going to talk about two ways of getting a reference to this button, and one of them was passing the button into the greet function, which I've done, and the other way would be to save the button instead of a local variable to make it a class variable so that it's available everywhere throughout this class. And to do that, I have to define that I'm going to have such a variable. I'm going to make it private, which is not important for now. You could also write public. The difference being whether it's available to other classes or not. But in this example, since I only have one, it doesn't make any difference. And I'll still call it foo, though it could be named anything. And now I have to say, rather than just the variable foo, I have to say that it's the foo that is part of this class. In other words, this arrow foo is a new button. And now every time I refer to it, I have to say this foo over here. I no longer have to pass it in because I should just be able to have the reference right there in the spot. And I no longer have to catch anything. And again, these are this foo, which I'll copy and paste. Oops. I'll show the example. I will have to refresh it because it's no longer just the function changing, which is part of the event, but it's the entire structure of the application. So the whole thing will have to be refreshed. And we should still expect it to work the same way, but it's a different way of accomplishing it. Sometimes it's more convenient to pass things in, and sometimes it's more convenient to have them as part of the class. Use your own discretion.